Hey guys, today we're going to paint some decoys and explain why black decoys play a pivotal part in making your spread better. Here's an old decoy that has been worn out. I will use some matte black spray paint to paint it. Black decoys work because the dark color stands out more readily against the water, making it easier for passing ducks to see them from a distance, especially in low light conditions, thus increasing the decoy's spread visibility and attracting more birds to land near them. Essentially, black acts as a strong visual cue for ducks to identify potential landing spots. American black ducks are notoriously more weary than mallards, and when mallards see black ducks in the spread, it tends to relax them a bit. The high contrast black stands out significantly against the water, making it easier for ducks to spot them from far up. Ducks have very good eyesight, and hopefully this will bring your ducks in from way up, down closer into the shooting range. Even when a duck can't see the detailed features of a decoy, a black silhouette is easily recognizable. Black decoys are particularly effective in situations with poor visibility like dawn or dusk, and some weather conditions as well. I think that this is very important because the majority of the ducks where I live tend to fly early in the morning. People call it first and second flight. The first one will be about 30 minutes after sunup. That is legal shooting time. Overall, I've heard this from a few different people that were explaining that this is a good confidence decoy. You know, they have different ones, herons, crows, whatnot. But overall, I think this should really help you out if you're having ducks not come in close enough to shoot. But anyways, I appreciate you watching. You know, this is part of the Duck Hunting for Cheap series. Enjoy.